So hi, it's me Irfan, and today I would like to show you how to embed a Google form in WordPress post. So the first thing you have to do is you have to have a Google form in your Google account, and here this is a sample of Google form that I just created, and there are two entries here. Pertanyaan pertama means question number 1, and pertanyaan kedua means question number 2. Let's say this is enough for to create a Google form, and let's now publish this by click this arrow button, click here and click this to embed in Google in WordPress website. Click copy, and now let's open the WordPress. Open your WordPress account, add new post. And now if you are using a Gutenberg writer like this, click the plus option over here. Okay, click here and find the custom HTML. Click this, and now paste your code here like this, and add the title for your post. Sample of embedded Google form in WordPress. That's all. So okay, that is enough, and publish. And now let's see if it works. Okay, that is good. It works. I can embed a Google form in my WordPress account, WordPress post. That's all. Thank you very much. Oh, what's it? Wait. Oh, but using a classic WordPress post, it's easy. Okay, like this. Text. Yeah, it's so easy. In WordPress Classic, you have to change between the visual and text. Let's say if everything is clear, like here. Okay, this is the blank, all new WordPress Classic writer here. And now let's copy the code from Google Form here. And now click visual. Yeah, that's it. You have publish a Google Form in your Google Post website, WordPress post. Thank you.